Okay. Hello, I'm back. This is Shekhar again from Floor Systems, talking about some of the other commercial products that we have. What you're looking at here is an Acura Roughneck. It's an industrial PC. It's used in oil mines, oil refineries, mines, and the key issue with this is it's exposed to harsh environments. 45-degree ambient, dusty air, splash of water and mud, all kinds of scenarios, right? In this case, we were able to design a 45-watt system that can be running at 45C ambient and still sustain 45 watts of CPU power. We designed a thermal module working with Acura, integrated this module into the system, and internally you would see something like this. There is an inlet at the back that has a inlet filter and a mechanical lure that prevents any water ingress. But also we have created like a channel that only allows air to come in, and as always the rest of the system is fully sealed, right? So you can operate this system in all these mines and harsh environment and still maintain the full performance. If you go with a fan or a fanless solution, you would not be able to push the performance to the full limit, right? So essentially you can do all your edge compute on the device, which is what the new ask is. So that's the industrial PC. And then there is also this mini PC from Zotac. This is also commercially available. Typically they are passively cooled, and given that they are a small mini PC and being passively cooled, you cannot operate with the big Intel or any of those chips that are north of 7 watts, right? You would be in the 2.5 watt of CPU power while the system is doing 10 to 12 watts. That is as much as you could cool from this system. By integrating two AirJet minis, we were able to push the performance to 7 watts and sustain it in this small factor. 7 watts of CPU power, overall system it's 20 watts, including the memory and all other peripherals, right? So they were using Celeron or the lower chips, but we were able to upgrade to an i3 and still run it at its full capability. Here what we are looking at is a industrial edge gateway with AI enabled, and it has a Jetson Orin Nano, which can sustain 40 tops of performance, right? Typically these systems are huge, and we were able to reduce it to a smaller form factor. And in this case, we are using something called an AirJet pack. This is a fully integrated plug-and-play AirJet solution, which has, in this case, it is an AirJet pack 3C, where it has 3 of our AirJet minis, and it can cool 15 watts. So we have integrated a 3C and a 1C. This 1C is one AirJet mini with the dry boards and everything integrated. All it takes is an input power, and it's fully autonomous operation. Integrated these two, and we were able to enable the edge gateway with all the AI features as well. You also have a 5G hotspot. The nice thing, or the first of its class, is it uses a class 1 amplifier for wireless broadcast. It can actually sustain a power output of 31 dBm. Right, and this is mostly used in band 14 scenario for early responders and other cases. For a class 1 amplifier, it generally comes with a big box, and we were able to enable this product to be in this form factor and still have the range that it covers on this hotspot is 3x as compared to a standard regular hotspots, while still maintaining a full 5G connection and having 3x coverage in the Wi-Fi hotspot.
So these are just some of the products that we have. We have a lot more in the pipeline, a lot more names that everybody is going to know that'll be coming out over the coming years. So we're really excited about the ability that we have to really unleash performance and help people maintain the performance they need for all the higher performing activities associated with AI and on-edge AI. So we think it's really important. We're really excited to be doing it, and we think we add a lot of that value. So thank you for listening.